कैमरा इधर तो नहीं करना सर नहीं ठीक है वही फिर भी बोल देंगे
So good afternoon everyone. Now it's time for the end of our program. It has been a adventurous journey of this 5 days FDP, and I'm sure all the participants must have gained a lot from this program. I would now request some of the participants to please share their feedback. Sir, please. Please, sir.
Well, it was a very interactive session. And first, I would like to introduce myself. I'm a Dr. Kamaldeep and part of this slide family since 2010. So I completed my research work here in this institute. And we people are now at this moment at the valedictions sharing good moments. So the arrangement concerned to this particular session was so nice, and we have shared. We people had very informative. That is the whatever the information we have shared. So that certainly help us in our future prospects. Thank you.
Anyone else would like to share their experience? Pawan, come and share experience with us. How was this FDP for you? Okay. Anyone else from online participants? Would anyone like to share their experience with us? Sir.
Yes, may I?
Hello.
yes yes sir maybe
Yes.
Good afternoon to all. First of all, I thank the organizers for organizing and allowing us to participate in the FDP. This FDP is very nicely organized, planned, and informative FDP. And the topics and the speaker selection is also very good. And I am sure that this FDP has already enlightened the desire to know more about additive manufacturing. I'm also certain that some of the youngsters may start their research work in additive manufacturing. I'm also thankful to the coordinator, Mr. Bansal, and all the other members of the organizing committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. Anybody else who wants to?
Yes. First of all, good afternoon, and I would like to thank you all the staff members and organizing committee to organize such kind of FDP. And these kind of FDPs are very beneficial for us. I hope these kind of FDP must be conducted in future, as this is the need of an hour. Thank you very much for this kind of FDP.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience. Anyone else who wants to share their experience, they can. Okay. Okay, so now I would give a brief summary of this FDP, and then we will continue with the valedictories function. Um, the RTAM 2023 FDP's first day began with a welcoming inaugural ceremony focusing on recent trends in additive manufacturing, with the aim of exploring additive manufacturing's latest developments and its impact on aerospace and transportation. The program boasts 91 participants, including experts from the diverse sectors. Professor Alkesh Manna is a distinguished mechanical engineer, is emphasizing the significance of understanding manufacturing basics and advanced materials. The organizers expressed gratitude to key figures including Manikant Paswan, Director Slide, Professor J.S. Dhillo, and Professor Shahi for their support. The program promised a diverse learning environment with meaningful discussions over the next 5 days. The first day session was from Professor Alkesh Manna, who covered manufacturing processes from raw material conversions to product creation. The next session was from another renowned speaker, Professor Rupinder Singh from Department of Mechanical Engineering, NITR, Chandigarh, who explored advanced manufacturing topics including smart materials, metamaterials, 4D printing, and material programming in 3D printing and heritage building applications during his talk. In the next day of our FDP program, day 2, the speaker of the first session was Professor Naveen Kumar from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Ropar. He discussed the significance of bioprinting, particularly for bone and cartilage. He highlighted the evolution of 3D printing in producing biological materials. And his talk focused on this topic only, 3D printing of the biomedical materials. On the session 2 of the day 2, speaker Professor Amandeep Singh Shahi sir from Department of Mechanical Engineering, Slight Longoval, discussed metal component manufacturing methods, focusing on smart manufacturing's benefit. In the third session of RTAM Day 2, Dr. Hitesh Kumar from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology discussed microstructure alloying and oxidation techniques. In third day, the first session was taken by Dr. Anupam Agarwal from IIT Ropar, Punjab, and his talk explored additive manufacturing, highlighting the differences within subtractive methods and addressing challenges in processes like SLS and SLM. In second session, Dr. Navneet Khanna from IIT RAM, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, discussed sustainable cooling and lubrication for machining aerospace parts with titanium alloys. In third session of day 3, Dr. Sanat Agrawal discussed 3D printing of polymers, categorizing processes into 5 types, and the lecture covered photopolymerization, PBD, extrusion based printing, binder jetting, and sheet lamination. In the fourth day, the first session was taken by Professor Pradeep Gupta sir from Slight Longoval, and he explored the role of manufacturing in the area of AI, machine learning, and additive manufacturing during his session. In second session of day 4, Dr. Anil Kumar Singla from Slight Longoval talked about talked about the issues like lack of fusion, gas porosity, and residual stresses in the additively manufactured products. In in the third session of the fourth day, speaker Dr. Sanjeev Katoj from Institute for Auto Part and Hand Tools Technology, Ludhiana, highlighted the crucial role of material conformity in steel production. He explored raw materials, stressing the need for inspection and testing to ensure quality. In the fifth day, on the first session was taken by Professor Harpreet Singh from IIT Ropar, and the second session was taken by Dr. Anuj Bansal and Dr. Sunil Kumar from Slight Longoval, and they addressed key aspects of 3D printing. we thank all the speakers for giving their for sharing their knowledge with us, and I thank all the speakers for sharing their experience and also for joining us in this program. Now I would request HOD Mechanical Engineering Shahi sir and Anil Kumar Singla sir to kindly distribute the certificates to the participants. Okay. The next certificate goes to Rajiv Singh Katoch. Congratulations, Rajiv, for successfully completing this program. The next one is Kamaldeep Singh. Congratulations, Kamaldeep. Next one is Amritpal Singh Sandhu. Congratulations, Amritpal. So these certificates were distributed to the participants who were physically present with us, and the online participants will receive their certificates in the online mode only. Now I would thank HOD sir and Singla sir for the valedictory function. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you the participants, everyone who has directly or indirectly linked with this particular FDP along this 5-day journey, and will mail you the feedback form that is compulsory, that please fill that, and after that we will send you the certificates through online mode. We'll mail you each and every part that is required. If anything other is required, please don't hesitate to mail us regarding the FTP. Thank you. Okay.
Now we are closing the program now. Thank you everyone.